This is how you can delete an email account in Hostinger. So if you already have an email account in Hostinger and you want to delete it, here's what you're going to do. So the first step is, of course, you're going to log into hpanel.hostinger.com. And then from here, you're going to look over to this side at the left side panel. You're going to click on emails from here. And then you're going to see this talkie.shop email. You're going to click on mailboxes. Now it will take you to your mailboxes where your business email is. As you can see, this is my business email and it's currently active. Now if you want to delete or remove this one, we're just going to click on this three dots just beside this webmail right here. Going to select this three dots, and then you will be able to see this delete option. So we're just going to delete. We're going to click on that delete, and then you will see this. You're about to delete mailbox of businessmail.talkiesocial.shop. You will delete the email data permanently. So one thing to take note is that this will permanently remove the email and all its stored messages, which you may not be able to recover anymore. So make sure that you are very sure in deleting this mailbox. And once you are sure, you're just going to hit on delete to confirm your deletion. And that is how you can delete an email account in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.